Is it possible for someone who has a law degree outside of the UK to be able to qualify as a solicitor via SQE assessments? Absolutely. And actually, you don't even have to have the law degree. You may have any degree, let's say in linguistics. So, what is the requirement to this degree? It should be equivalent to the UK degree, and you should take it reasonable. And actually, SRA is very much reasonable. It's not that they would try to make some, very distinctive features. What is a UK degree? It basically should be of the same standard. If you have a bachelor degree in law, let's say from Singapore or Hong Kong, it should completely be suitable for the purpose. Or let's say it may be another subject. But in order not to make any mistake, in order not to proceed with the exams before you are sure that you meet those basic requirements, you can just send this degree to the SRA to check. And don't get engaged in any expensive services on any kind of transfer of those degrees into some internationally recognized standards. Just send what you have, but make sure it's in English so they are able to read it. And then if you will be directed, maybe in some cases that would be required, but we've never heard about cases like that. So it may be any degree. And I'll just refresh you on those requirements. You should be a human being with a passport and everything, and a smart person first to make your right choices. Then you should have a degree, so you should be educated person. That is the requirement, but it can be in any subject. You should pass 2 exams. One is multiple choice exam, which is also known as SQE1, Solicitor Qualifying Examination 1, and the second is Solicitor Qualifying Examination number 2, previously known as a QLTS or SKI assessment, and this is skills-based exam. You also should prove that you have 2 years of qualifying legal experience. And finally, you should meet the character suitability requirements. So there should be no issues with your character, which can be previous convictions or some misconduct, etc. And they will do those checks after you pass the exams. From the point of view of any formalities, they will start checking everything when you pass both exams, and then you should be concerned about that. If you need preparation, we have helped almost 350 people to reach their goal. Being UK solicitor gives you a lot of advantages and opens your door to many new opportunities.